If you're experiencing connection errors on your Xbox Series X, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on another device, like a smartphone or computer. If other devices are also having issues, the problem may lie with your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding down the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console, wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary issues. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Navigate to Settings, General Network Settings. Select Test Network Speed and Statistics to check your connection speed. If the speed is low, consider switching to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 5. Adjust router settings. Log into your router settings and ensure the Quality of Service (QoS) is enabled for your Xbox. You can also try changing the Wi-Fi channel to reduce interference or enabling UPnP to improve connectivity for gaming. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors on your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.